Right, let's make this quick. How do you make a preset in Lightroom? So you've taken your photo and you've made your edits and you think, I make similar edits all the time. I want to create that as a preset. So click presets. Then click the three dots and create preset. You now need to give that particular one a name. So and then you've got group. So in here you've got all of the ones that you may have purchased previously and any that you've created, and I'm going to create a new group. Call it AAA just so it sits at the top, and click save. And now that preset is available for you to use across any of your photos. But let's say you've used it and you think, actually I'm always just slightly changing this. I'm always slightly bringing down the highlights. What you can then do is, once you've made that edit, you can right click, update with current settings, and update. That then changes your master so that when you then put that across other photos, it will change there. Something that's quite popular to do is to export your presets and sell them. And the way you do that is by clicking on each one, clicking export, save, and away you go. And that's how you do presets in Lightroom. Whatever you do, keep learning.